activity of the phases of mitosis. Mitosis process is undergoing through the two stages, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means nuclear division. This nuclear division by the nucleus is divided by the four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. There are the four permanent slide of the prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Just I arrange. Now you can see as a carefully each phase of the mitosis. In prophase, actually what happened to start the condensation process of thread-like chromosomes. They became thick and visible. In first slide, when you see this slide under compound microscope, you can see that there is a condensation occur in chromosomes and they become the thick and visible. Nucleus membrane start to disappear in prophase. Okay. Then metaphase. This is the side of the metaphase. Actually, what happened in metaphase? Chromosomes move in the equatorial plane of the spindle. Chromosomes move in the equatorial plane of the spindle. Okay. Now suppose I see this slide. There is the chromosomes. They are parallel at equatorial of the cell. Okay. They move the equatorial plane of the spindle. Next is the anaphase. This is the anaphase. Actually, what happened in anaphase? The chromatin separate, move to the opposite pole of the cell. Okay, and in this way a complete set of chromosomes are formed at the pole. This set is nothing but just like bunch of banana. Okay, migrate toward the centriole in anaphase. Telophase, recondensation process being or start and new nuclear membrane form around this set of chromosomes. Okay, and the spindle, fiber of spindle disappear. Fiber of spindle disappear in telophase. Okay, actually what happened there? These two chromosome set attached toward the poles. Okay, that is the set of chromosomes, and nuclear membrane start to develop around this spindle of around this set of chromosomes. Okay. In cytokinesis, actually what happened there? There is a formation of notch between the two nuclei. Okay, and then the nuclei become separate to form the two daughter cell in cytokinesis. Okay. Now you observe the first stage here, that is the prophase. Now you can observe as a carefully. Okay. You see that there is start the condensation of the chromosome. The chromosome condensation surat hote. There is a three-leg chromosome. They become condensed and nuclear membrane just disappear. They start to disappear. This thing. Okay. Now you observe then metaphase. In metaphase, chromosome move in the equatorial plane of the spindle. Okay. Chromosome move होता है equatorial plane. Put a metaphase at metaphase. Then this is the prophase, metaphase and anaphase. Anaphase में क्या होता है? Being the chromatids separate and move to the opposite pole. In this way, the complete set of chromosomes are formed. That is a bunch of, just like bunch of banana. Okay, migrate toward the centriole in anaphase. And in telophase, to start the recondensation process. Observe as carefully. Okay. Can you see this recondensation? Recondensation of chromosomes and nuclear membrane start to develop around this set of chromosomes. Okay. The nucleus is divided into two nuclei in telophase. Is it clear? प्रत्येकाने